Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you guys how I was packaging my wooden tag for my swap. So here's the tag, and mainly I just wanted to really protect the tag in mailing. So I have this sort of plastic bag, and then I just stapled a topper. And then this is a rosette that I made out of crepe paper. And then this is, I think it's Bella Boulevard, but it's an ephemera piece that I found floating in the bottom of a basket that I have in my craft area. So it just fit perfectly, and I just went ahead and glued that on there, and there it is. Very simple. And then I wanted to send the hostess, the person hosting the tag swap, a little card. So I used my Winnie Polkadoodle Dracula, colored her up with some Copics, did a little bit of stickles, and I made a really simple little card. Now for this I used Pretty Pink Posh, these frames, and I used the Something Wicked in My Mind's Eye paper pad, and just added some enamel dots. I'm hoping that I will get my purple Nuvo drops that I ordered back at Labor Day. I hope that they come in time that I can add these to this card before I mail it out, because I'm going to mail it out very shortly. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly before I mail that out, so just get some ideas of some really simple things that you can do with your Halloween stuff. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.